Hello, this is a demonstration of a one-switch mouse replacement. This is a hardware solution as an alternative to some of the built-in accessibility options in different operating systems. This mouse emulator will run on Windows, Mac, doesn't matter. You'll see with each press of the accessibility switch in my left hand, the mouse moves in another one of its four cardinal directions. A longer press will allow me to do also a left click, right click, or double click. You can see in the display on the lower right hand side of my screen what it's currently doing. I'm going to do a left click on the Google Chrome icon down here. I have that open now. I'm going to open one of my emails now. I'll open this tech support email by doing a left click on it. Alright, now I'll proceed to, now having this email open, I'll proceed to minimize this window. I'll get the cursor up here and I'll do a left click. Now the speed of the cursor can be modified, the order of actions can be modified. This is just a one implementation of this type of scheme. Maybe what I'll do now is I'll double click on my iTunes icon to get iTunes open. It's on the far left middle of my screen. I'll get over there and then I'll do a long press to choose double click. Left click, right click, double click. Alright, so that's open now, and I'll also do a double click on, let's say I'll play Parachute. It's a song near the top there. Left click, right click, double click. Alright, so that began to play. Alright, so in this way, with a single switch, this is another way you can control a computer. Thanks for watching.